Welcome to the info review Motorola Edge 30 now, and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then we should click to the security section. After that, scroll down to SIM card lock section and you'll see here SIM lock SIM card switcher. Just to activate SIM pin, we should click here on the switcher and now we should enter our password. Just in my case that will be from 1 to 4. Then just click here to OK, and that's it. We can see that our SIM card successfully locked with PIN code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.